In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI autofill in Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or an experienced user looking to enhance your workflow, integrating AI autofill can significantly improve your experience by saving time and automating repetitive data entry tasks. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can set this up seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by opening a Notion database. This could be any existing project or a new one that you're setting up. If you're familiar with Notion, you know that databases are essentially the backbone of how information is stored and organized. Once you're inside your database, the next step is to decide if you'd like to add a new property or use an existing one. Properties in Notion are like customizable columns that can contain different types of data, such as text, numbers, or even checkboxes. If you're opting to add a new property, it's as simple as clicking the plus sign at the top of your database. Otherwise, select an existing property that you'd like to enhance with AI capabilities. Now here's where the magic starts to happen. Click on the property settings. This is usually found beside your property name, often appearing as a small drop-down arrow or settings icon. By clicking this, you'll be opened up to a list of transformative options, particularly those powered by AI. This is a new frontier in the ease of data management, so get ready to be impressed. Next, you'll want to choose an AI-powered option. Notion currently offers several exciting options, each with unique features to cater to different needs. The first one is an AI summary. This is particularly useful if you have long texts or notes and want concise summaries generated by the AI, perfect for meetings or lengthy articles that need to be boiled down to the essentials. Secondly, there's the AI custom autofill. This feature allows you to tailor the AI's function specifically to your needs, offering a high degree of customization. Finally, there's the AI-generated text field, which can be used for generating content on the fly. After selecting your desired AI option, the next crucial step is defining what you want the AI to generate. This step is vital because it tells the AI exactly what you expect. For example, if you're using the AI summary feature, you can specify how detailed or brief you'd like the summary to be. For custom autofill, outline the type of data or patterns you want it to learn and replicate. The clearer you are with your instructions, the better your results will be. And that's a wrap. You've successfully configured AI autofill in your Notion database. With this setup, not only will your productivity increase, but you'll also find your data management significantly more efficient. Don't hesitate to experiment with these features to find a setup that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching and happy Notion using, everyone.